want to eat me a vegetable. Cheers. Cheers.
$8 worth or not?
Thank you. It's okay. I'm over here filming stuff, so I'm not paying attention. And I got a baby giraffe in my hand, so.
You having a magical day?
Oh, we're having a great day. Thank you so much.
Cheers to the Warriors.
Cheers. Now, I don't know about to the Warriors, but cheers. Cheers to a great day. Tangerine IPA, cheers. So Torpa went to get me these grilled beef tenderloin sliders. That was quick, babe. Only one? How much was it?
$8. What?
No way. $8. See, I'm gonna drink this. I'm gonna show you guys what was $8. It better be the most bomb slide I've ever had in my life.
$8 worth or not?
Let me taste it. Is it amazing or no?
It's pretty damn good.
Is it $8 amazing?
I don't know if it's $8 amazing. It's really good though. $8 worth? I don't know. But is it good? Yeah. Would I pay maybe $6 for it? Yeah. $8? I don't know.
Yeah, you did, so.
But we did. So yeah, you're right.
Woo! No, I want to record.
Okay.
Hey,
nice
look.
right now, huh?
Yeah. This is fun. Fun fair. It's like a cereal box. Whoa. We're supposed to feel small, like ants. Watermelon. I like a pencil. Pencils.
This is the longest line for a
Drink your beer. Drink your beer.
Drink your beer. Drink it all day long.
Drink. Life is what I drink, I guess. Whoa, the caterpillar.
so empty. I can go back for seconds. Diamond, I take you on my fun little ride. Con sus manos, oruguitas.
Come on.
So we've been really lucky. Everyone's been really nice to us here, and they're gonna let us get on again
My stomach is so
because our friend
empty.
didn't get to get on.
Come on, everybody, here we go. My best favorite corn was a vegetable. I want to eat me a vegetable.
Now, Lucy, look over there.
Look over here, Lucy.
Tastes just like apple on a stick. Without the stick. Juicy watermelon.
Oh, look, it drips.
My favorite part, apple crackers.
Ooh, it smells like animal cracker.
Oh, I'm so glad.
I've never been on this ride. It's so cute.
There's so many goodies.
So many goodies, Lucy. So many goodies. She look like she's eating this cupcake. Look at her face.
Goodbye, my friends. Auf Wiedersehen. Goodbye.
Smell the watermelon. Smell the animal crackers. Yeah. She wants to eat the camera. We're gonna get in the Chinese box, babe. Because there's only one Chinese box. Why is there 3 Casey Juniors but only one Chinese box? Does that make sense? We're getting on this Chinese box. You understand?
Alright.
Chinese box, son. Operation Chinese box is a go. Is complete. Operation Chinese box, led by this baby, has been completed.
If this thing breaks in, we know what.
Operation Chinese box was a go and was completed.
Abort.
No, we're not aborting this. We're here now.
Hi,
This is me now. This is me now.
I invented it because ants can't fly.
What's up, raisins? Look at her, look at her, look at her. She's like, what? Hey, baby! Ah, I love you. She's like, I love this. Baby's first time. Oh. What's this called? Flicks what? Flicks Flyers?